how to change native language on Duolingo. So all you have to do is to proceed here to your application. Now all you have to do is to make sure that you have logged in your account there. Now it will lead you here, right? In the home page, you will see it will look like this. Now on the upper left, you'll see the flag there that you set as your native language, right? Now all you have to do is to click on that. And here you will see a plus sign here where you can add or change a native language that you want. So you can click on course here. And here you will see the for English speakers here, you can change it to Spanish, French, German. So all you have to do is to scroll through that and look for the native language that you want to change it with. So let's say you want to change it to Latin, tap on continue here. Now just wait for it to load. Now what you're gonna do next is if you click on that flag here, and as you can see here, you have now successfully changed your flag or your native language to Latin here. And basically that is it. That is how you change that's how you change native language on Duolingo. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.